Hey everybody, it's Dan with Feldmann Imports, and today's vehicle for sale is a 2021 Mercedes-Benz GLE 350 4MATIC. This comes in a blue exterior, and we've got a beige and black interior. Also have some dark wood grain accent trim throughout the vehicle. This vehicle does have heated and ventilated power memory seats, both driver and passenger. You also see the premium Burmester sound system upgrade. The speakers will also be throughout the vehicle. Sunroof. And hopping inside, mileage currently at 14,401 with a push button ignition. Quick look at our steering wheel here. And then we have a touchscreen display, currently showing navigation, radio, and backup camera. Now I was controlling that using your steering wheel controls right here. It is touchscreen, so of course you can actually just touch on the screen and use it that way. You also have a command module here where you can also make adjustments on the display. Now below your display you've got climate controls. Below that we've got a wireless charging pad for a cell phone, cup holders. Then we've also got your dynamic sport modes where you can switch between different modes, which will affect traction, handling, transmission, and all that sort of stuff. You also have some shortcuts here to access navigation or radio, volume controls, and our shifter. Go ahead and hop out, show you the rest of the vehicle here. Rear seats. Do a quick peek back up front. Also notice the colored LED ambient lighting throughout the vehicle. It's fully customizable within the menu system as well. And coming around to the back, we've got our GLE 350, Mercedes-Benz and 4MATIC badging, power opening and closing trunk, push button to close. Now, if you're interested in additional information about this 2021 Mercedes-Benz GLE 350 4MATIC, just reach out to us on our website, feldmannimports.com.